Hi everyone, this is Sibu. Today I will show you how you can complete the task GenAI powered by data analysis job simulation by Tata. So first let's begin. I will provide you the link of this page into the description so you can move directly from there. So in this job simulation we need to do these are the steps, the tasks in this program. The first one is this thing you will learn throughout this journey, and your goal is this one, so you can read thoroughly by yourself. Move to the task one, exploring data analysis and risk profiling. Okay, so here what you need to do, identify the key data set required to predict the delinquency, and the perform an exploratory analyze on the providing the data set using GenAI tools to assess with the simulation, treatment or missing data risk problem, synthetic data creation, and this thing. And you need to create the documentation, and then you need to upload that thing into the that required places. So second task is same. You can read thoroughly all the tasks that you need to cover up. Let's move to the task. The task, you can trace here, so you can redirect to the distance. So I will going to log in from here. So after logging, you will be land on this page. So here is, you just need to give the some details. How did you hear about this program from, I can say from uh, LinkedIn. Next, and I am enrolling in the program because I am not sure that what type of role involves. I heard about that, wants to know more to build skills area in my career. Next, you agree, agree, and agree. So we will going to land on the that page. So this is the main page uh, for task. First, welcome to the GenAI powered by data analysis job simulation. So here the role that you need to do, you need to um, do the AI transformation for the consultancy at the Tata IQ, specialize in the data driven decision making the finance services. And you work within the large data set analytics team, collaborating with the business leader to deep AI. So these are the your role, and the goal is your primary objective to analyze the customer data to predict the delinquency risk and these AI driven technology. Okay, so press the next. uh, okay, these are the name that your team at Tata. Your team is this one, leveraging the data and power stick, uh, and just press the next. This is my team, your teams. Okay, and now the project brief is, you will receive an email from the senior manager Charitra, the senior TIQ. I am assigning you a new project with this LDM, a finance services provider in a digital task. So this email you will get on your email ID, and you need to do, and your task is this one: review the available customer data to identify the pattern and risk factor, develop the prediction models logic using GenAI, or and provide the structural recommendation on the in intervention strategies. Prepare a PowerPoint presentation outline how Gildium company of air power collection system include the ethical guidance and expected business impact. So this thing, this 1 2 3 4 4 tasks you need to do. So we'll just move to the next. So here is the some quizzes that you need to uh, do. The first one: what is the primary objective of Gen AI to solution with developing the Galdium? So this is the correct answer. Next, which team is Gladium will you be advised and working with primarily? First one is the collection team. Now you will direct it to the rest starts. Task one, I think this one is the. Now you have the context. Let's start your first step at work. Next, okay, these are the tasks and the you can learn from here after clicking video.
Welcome to Task 1, Exploratory Data Analysis and...
Okay, by pressing and that. So these are the instruction that is provided. You just need to read all those things by yourself, and once you read, press next, and you read this one again. AI machine GenAI, what's the difference before exploring the data importance, understanding landscape machine learning, and what is artificial intelligence. So you will learn so many things from here. Don't skip this part. These are very important part that you will going to learn. Introduction to exploratory data analyze, EDE. So exploratory data analyze, EDE stands for. So what is the exploratory? These are the things that you learn by yourself. Is a key step to conduct the EDA. Understanding the dataset, key variables, categorize and identify the missing values and outliers. Understand the relation between variables, detaching patterns and risk factor. Guided file that you can take help, and a technology handle missing value, ensuring the data quality. So these are the things that you will going to go through, that random errors and the what are the common cause of missing data. Okay, how to handle the missing data, deleting the missing data, uh, and this replacing missing values, also AI assistant. uh, Also press next. Understanding the customer risk factor for the delinquency. The risk factor matters in the financial decision making. Key risk factors: delay payment history, credit utilization rate steps. These are the things that are the key factor for the this risk. How to leverage the synthetic data generation to enhance the dataset. So you just go through, read this thing, ethical consideration. What is the main purpose of conducting EDA before predicting the modeling? Uh, so the, to identify the pattern, missing value and inconsistency in the dataset. Okay, so what is the best way to handle the missing value in a dataset? What uh, study this thing, right? What is the one benefit of using synthetic data in a financial modeling? Privacy. Yeah. So here here is your task. First task is this task. ED of a Gladium set is to preview the dataset, identify the key insert, and this thing address missing data. And this thing you can do by yourself. Okay. Uh, this guidance, and this is the template also provided. Okay, template you will get. So you just need to fill up all the introduction, uh, introduction, data overview, missing data values, key filling. Uh, this thing you need to fill up, and you need to submit this file into the uh, into the this part. Okay, and I already created that file, so I will show you my file. First one, introduction, the documents present in the exploring data gradient dataset, uh, and these are the thing that you need to play. You can, I will provide you the these files, and you can take the help from here too. So thus I will going to upload my this file, save, and desktop. I have task. The first task is this one. I just press the task. Okay, fires, press submit. The first task is submit, and now move to the next task. Complete. Nice work, it was great. The second task, task overview. In this task, what you will do, using GenAI tools to generate the model logic for predicting the customer delinquency. uh, Delinquency means generally that is the fault or anything, uh, like misplace any data, choose or wrong prediction, this kind of thing. Choose any, justify the best predicted approach, outline a plan, evaluate model accuracy in relatives. Okay, and you can watch this video for better understanding. And for your role, you face to do GenAI tools, predict the modeling, and this thing, evaluate the model performance. So I would, these are the first step is predict the modeling. So you just read all those things thoroughly, okay, because those are very important thing. uh, Select the right model types, so decision tree, logic, uh, regression, and neutral networks. And for that example, GenAI prompts, these are the prompt you can use directly, okay, at GenAI or ChatGPT, whatever you like. And common technique for credit tricks modeling, so these are the instructions that you need to read thoroughly. Evaluate the model performance, you also read this one. uh, Bias you also read, utilize the GenAI tools to generate the model code and refine the prediction. Okay, basically it, um, GenAI will going to predict the, like, the future trends, so that's why we are doing this thing. And here is your task. Our task is what? Step one is generate the modeling logic using GenAI. Okay, and the second, justify your model choice. And how you can do, these are the steps that you need to follow. And prompt, try these prompts, and plan how to evaluate the model performance. Okay, and rate good and these are the prompt, or these are the prompt you can use for doing that thing. And submit your plan, and you need to submit. And the data set is this one, data description guide and the template. Always download the template, and then you can write all those things. And I already created that thing, so I will show you that file. This predict the modeling plan student template. So these are the template I created, so you can glance through from here too, and just press click task 2. Okay, and I completed the task 2, and do press the submit button. Now move to the next. Next you have the, I saw it was great. And the task 3 is that what you need to do, prepare a 2-page summary report for the handle of the collection to share with their teams, emphasizing key risk factor, delinquency trends, and the recommendation in intervention strategy. Develop a structural recommendation framework that outline the next steps, key takeaway, and business justification for the proposed action. Decision ethical considerations such as the responsible AI and the financial decision making and customer fairness. So this is the video guide that you can
Welcome to
get
task
the
3.
help. Okay, now move to the next. Let's get it started. Okay, here is the turning predicted insight into the business value. Okay, that's your role to do. Manage your recommendation count. Turning prediction insight into the business value. uh, okay, and this is the prompt that you can use. Making your recommendation count. Restate your insights, brainstorm action. So just press the next, or if you want you can read all those these lines, so better understanding. And this the and which of the following is the best demonstration well structured recommendation based on the predicted insight? You can click anywhere that you will get the right direction, then press the next. When prediction AI driven insights and non-technical stakeholder, which approach is the most uh, we and how to model out this one? Which of the following reflect the responsible approach using predictive? Okay, summary for predict. Oh, here is your task. Task is summary of predicted insights, recommendation framework, and these are the different prompt you can try. Submit your report. Okay, what is prompt? These are the thing or the instruction that you just need to copy paste the GenAI or those thing. And I already told you this is template, and I already created that file. So this file, so you can just take the help from this file too. Recommendation and this thing, and just okay, yeah, okay. Just I completed submitted that. Complete. It was also great. Now you have the task overview. Great job transition from modeling insight into the business. Now here is your task. Design a prediction outline and framework for AI powered collection system showing how AI cost automatic optimizes the out it outreach effort, identify the guardians to prevent the unfair bias decision making. Decision how agentic AI can continuously adapt the change of the these are the this is the
Welcome
video
to
that you
task.
can take the help. Okay, if you want. And I also advise you to read all those things for better understanding, because once you have the certificate and then you don't have the knowledge about that, so how you can explain those things to the HR or the other persons. So I'm just skipping this thing because my video become too much long for that, so I'm just skipping these parts. Okay. Okay, and using the following best illustrate how the learns loop enhance an AI powered app management system. So it's continuously monitoring the outcome of the refined future action based on the past performance. Then what is the distinguished agentic AI tradition rule based on the automatic finance? It's okay. Gadium wants to ensure that the AI powered collection system is okay. So you can press anywhere. If you get the correct, then move to the next. Here is your task. Your task is to make the PowerPoint presentation. Build your PowerPoint presentation outline how your works, and this build your slides. Describe how your system works. Role agentic AI regarding responsibly AI guidance and expected business impact. Okay, and the template is, so I already created that presentation. Just press and task 4 submit here and do submit. Now my all the tasks is completed, and press next. Completed. So this is the final and all the tasks completed, and resume snipped, and from resume snip next. These are the tips that you will notice, and agree, yes, agree, strongly, and agree. Okay, you can give the first or next. I don't next. Oh, one last thing you make stand out. Yes, what will be the express your interest in? Yes, I will love to submit. Okay. Now you will get your certificate from here. Loading the destination. Okay. Wait for few seconds, then you will get the uh, your certificate. These are the so yes. So I got my certificate, 8 certificate or at your LinkedIn, and or you can download from here. I got this certificate, okay, for that, and you also can add your resume or a LinkedIn post. Okay? Just press what edit skills, what add few skills here. So control V is prompt engineering. This you can add. Okay, if you want to add, you can add more data cleaning, data cleaning also. Okay, data visualization. So these are the skills you can add. Just pressing save. I just posted on the next. I just post. Okay, so these are the my profile. You can check. Okay, and I get this project, this post here. Mm. And if you have any questions, so you can just ask me in this page. I will provide these all files at GitHub page, so make sure if you follow, then I will provide all the these tasks, and look at the description, you will get the link over there. Okay,